Guys, open any browser to Google search box to type OneDrive download latest OneDrive setup, OneDrive download, and then hit enter. After that, first link this Microsoft official, then click to download OneDrive, and after that it will start in the download. You can see it is start, and this is 101 MB size. And it is completed. Then click on this icon, just right click to run as administrator. After that, click for access, yes. Okay, if you are getting this issue, then close it. Okay, and close everything, then click to start and type OneDrive. Okay, and then right click to uninstall. Otherwise, click to start and then setting, then app data, then install app. Now find out Microsoft OneDrive. This is OneDrive, and click on three dot and then uninstall. Uninstall. Click yes. Now you can see here to remove and then close it. Then open this file again and show these locations. Right click to run as administrator. After that, click yes. Now your OneDrive is installing. We are getting thing ready to now. This is installed successfully. Okay, then next method. Next method, re-register OneDrive shell extension. So click to start and search bars to type power PowerShell and right click to run as administrator. Then click for yes. Okay. Then some command I will give you in descriptions. This is copy and just right click on this. Okay. And then hit enter. Then second one, copy and just right click and then hit. Okay, no worry, it is red color, and then close it. Next method, repair your system file via command. Click to start and type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then yes, and then click. So this is two command, this one and this one, so we can use this for repair your corrupted Windows file and dials file. So it is, after that it will run the percentage, or it will complete the 100%, then run this one. Okay, you can see the restore the health. When it is completed 100%, then use this command and just select, and if not type, you cannot copy paste, so then you can type the manually. Okay, and then hit enter, same it will start the percentage. And guys, note one thing, if you start this command and enter this command and it will start the percentage, or sometime what happen, it will stop like 20%, 30% is stopped. So you have to select any is in the below of command and then hit enter, so it will start. You can see. Okay, and do not click on other locations, just wait for complete. Okay, then restart and then check it, guys. Thank you.